When I started with NewSed, I knew I was a good fit for the job because there was a need to make changes in the neighborhood that I was born and raised in, and I was up for the challenge. I worked tirelessly to implement strategies to make life better for neighborhood residents by bringing housing development, community-based economic development, community organizing, and arts and culture to the West Side, Lama Lincoln Park neighborhood. NewSed's arts and culture programming includes the 27th Annual Cinco de Mayo in Civic Center Park, the 23rd Annual Civil Rights Awards, and the Un Toque de Mexico concert. I have served as the President and CEO of NewSed Community Development Corporation since 1978. NewSed CDC is a nonprofit, community-based organization whose main focus is the revitalization of Denver's Near West Side community. NewSed has served the Denver Latino community for 40 years. The history of the Community Development Corporation movement is very important to note here because this movement, started by Robert and Ethel Kennedy, has created social and economic stability in many neighborhoods that were considered beyond repair throughout this great country of ours. I have many passions in my life, my family and work being the main ones. I have a great passion for animals and would like to spend more time working with them. My passion does not end with my family and work. My passion also includes my culture, equality, and justice, as I have championed civil rights all of my life. I have great admiration for organizations that have shown leadership and have been change agents in the civil rights movement, fair housing, and protecting individual freedoms, such as the NAACP, the Center for Community Change, the National Council of La Raza, Gill Foundation, the Anti-Defamation League, the Southern Poverty Law Center, and the American Civil Liberties Union. President Kennedy said, "If a free society cannot help the many who are poor, it cannot save the few who are rich." I bring a lifetime of excitement and learning experiences that I share with the younger generation, my daughters and my grandsons. I share with them that around the corner is the next new experience, and to enjoy each moment and look forward to the next, because it can be full of surprises. I would hope my legacy is justice in doing the right action, because this is what fiercely energizes me.